Hello everyone, my name is Damodar Bihani and I'm a product marketing manager at BlockApps. Welcome to part 2 in Getting Started with STRATO Mercata series by BlockApps. In this video, we are going to be talking about the data privacy on STRATO Mercata. On STRATO Mercata, privacy is enabled through private shards. A private shard is a separate private space on which users can manage data on the blockchain. Private shards combine the auditability and verifiability of data stored on the blockchain with the ability to permission that data to different nodes in the network. Private shards operate similarly to the main chain. They have their own data and transactions which operate exclusively within their own space. All private shard data is only visible to the permission members of the chain. User accounts only become members of a private shard when they're added by existing members. Different use cases for private shards include handling data visibility from multiple parties who might not have the same levels of permissions on a given asset or agreement. Furthermore, shards can be used when enabling data permission based on a user's role for internal and external parties. Now that we know what private shards are, let's dive into creating one. For this, we would have to head over to the Strato Management dashboard and log in. Once we log in, we need to go to the shards column right here and then go to create shard. We would call a shard QuickStart Guide shard. The contract mentioned over here are the governance rules required to create a private shard. The auto-approve method of governance will unconditionally add or remove a member when the respective functions are called. The to-win method of governance requires only two members to issue a vote to successfully add or remove a member. The majority rules governance token requires a majority of members must issue a vote for a member to be successfully added or removed. This is very similar to STRATO Mercata's PBFT consensus mechanism, which needs 2/3 majority. But for this governance token, we only need half a majority. The admin-only governance token is a method of governance token that only allows an admin to add or remove members. The admin's address is provided at the creation of the private shard, whereas the upload file is used when you want to create a customized governance token for your private shard. But for this video, we would go with auto approve over here. Then we go to solid VM as a VM compiler. This is the contract type. Arguments are what is required to pass a contract. We don't have any arguments over here, but we would add a shard member. For this, let's say the organization is BlockApps. The unit is the department, which is marketing, and the name of the person is DB. Let's add the member. Now, we can have different dApp integrations with the private shard as well. We can choose the chains already existing. For this, we will click on my private shard. Let's call it BAB. And that is the shard ID. Once we click on this, our private shard is good to be deployed. So let's create on create shard. And as you can see, a quick start guide shard has been created over here. And these are the different details of the quick start guide shard. And that's all we have for this video. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to drop a comment or contact us through our support page at support.blockapps.net. Stay tuned for the rest of the series to get started making your first transaction on STRATO Mercata. Thank you.